Hello and welcome to the PMC Lounge 5-day PMP program. Over the next 5 videos, you are getting 50 hours of the most comprehensive, no-nonsense PMP prep content available, completely free. No email required, no registration required. There is absolutely no catch at all. This is not a sales funnel. This is also not just another course where someone spends the first 20 minutes telling you that they are the #1 best-selling instructor and author and Udemy this and Skillshare that before delivering an underwhelming theory session. This is pure actionable preparation designed to help you master the PMP exam and apply what you learn immediately in real world projects. So you might ask, why PMC Lounge? Why this YouTube channel, right? We have been simplifying project management since 2016. I am not a trainer. I am an actual project manager managing projects. Thousands of professionals in our community have used our bite-sized jargon-free videos to pass the PMP exam, and you will see exactly why. Our playlists are among the most trusted resources for PMP aspirants, but you guys asked for more cohesion. So we built these playlists, seamlessly stitched them into this 5 days of structured training that takes you from fundamentals to exam ready mastery. This content is evergreen. It works today, it works if the PMP exam changes tomorrow because of PMBOK changes and even beyond. We have future-proofed this program so you stay ahead, not just get certified. But if you want an even more premium experience, you can always check out our courses listed at pmclounge.com/courses. For now, let me walk you through what exactly you are going to go over in this extensive 5-day program.
What you see here is a mapping of sorts. On day 1, we are going to cover integration management knowledge area or governance domain, which is the same as integration management knowledge area. On day 2, we are going to cover scope management as well as schedule management. On day 3, we will cover cost management or finance domain, whatever you want to call it. On day 3, we are also going to cover communication management as well as stakeholder management, which comes under stakeholders domain in the PMBOK 8 world. In day 3, we will also cover resource management, which is resource domain. In day 4, we are going to cover risk management. In day 4, again, we will also cover procurement management, which has been shifted to an Appendix X4 in PMBOK 8. And then in day 5, we will talk about quality management, which has become a core principle in the PMBOK 8 world. So this is just the mapping. Here's the whole agenda on your screen. On day 1, in addition to integration management, we will also cover the introduction and fundamentals for PMP. In day 4, we are also going to cover everything that you need to know about Agile as well as hybrid. So everything is covered in day 4. And in day 5, there are some exclusive stuff like principles and domains of project management that we are going to cover. So this is how all 5 days are going to look like. With that being said, let's get started with day 1. Head over to the next video in this playlist and I'll catch you there.